Hi Professor, this is our second module that we are going to present, that's an air quality sensor. And so now if we have air quality sensor, there are two main things. First is the sensor itself, that is we have used the MQ135 air quality sensor, which is also called as the flying fish. So this the flying fish is connected to the Raspberry Pi GPIO input. Here I have used GPIO input number 17 to connect and take the input from the sensor. So this sensor is being controlled by our Raspberry Pi console. So what we are doing now is we are going to present a demo of how it works. So Pawan will present a demo of it.
So now I will be running the code which will be monitoring the status of the sensor. So if the sensor is not detected anything, smoke or a gas leak, the status will be producing the status as nothing, as you can see in this console. And then to trigger the and then if it detects anything, it will give a status as smoke detected. To trigger this, to activate this sensor, I will be using a lighter which has like gasoline. So once I activate this, so you can see there's a sensor getting activated, and you can see the status getting changed to smoke detected. So we are in the process of building the UI where it will be showing the status of the sensor. Thank you.